Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
Yes, I'd like 2 McRib sandwiches, please.
We're serving lunch now.
Okay, you don't have the McRib?
The McRib?
Yes.
I'm sorry, we don't have McRibs.
Okay, thank you. Well, there you go. You want a McRib? Can't buy one. Tell you what, let's do. Let's go home and let's do better than McDonald's does. Let's make our own. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do a copycat McRib sandwich. We're going to do it 2 different ways, but we're going to do it better. So hang tight. Okay, so here we've got 2 grocery store baby back ribs. We've cleaned them up a little bit, taken the membrane off the back. What we're going to do is, this is Uncle Steve's shake. This is the sweet and spicier shake. We're going to take and put a nice little dusting on the back. Nice healthy little covering here. Make sure we get all the way around good on it. Okay. Pat him down good. Don't waste that runoff. Uncle Steve's shake's too good to waste. Now, I don't know what McDonald's uses on theirs. If they're not using this sweet and spicier rub or shake, that's their fault. They ought to. Okay, as you see, we have the pit barrel rolling. She's coming on up to temp. And let's take this little rib here. And let's put him right here like this. And then we'll take the second one. And let's put him right here. And you have to put the bars in. Something about regulating the temperature. We're going to do it just like Pit Barrel says every time. And excuse me, I'm going to put the top on him. And there we go. She's cranked off. Okay, second method. We've got a pound of ground pork. And again, to that, good old Uncle Steve shake, same one. We're going to try it this way. We're just going to mix it in like this. Okay, that'll be good. I know the shake's good. We'll see. All right, so I don't know what a McRib, the reconstituted patty in a McRib weighs. Frankly, I don't care. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and split this into about 2 patties and see if we can kind of sort of shake them about the same way. All right, there's one. And the other one, shape him up good. All right, try to get them pretty close here so they'll cook together. All right, so we're going to take a butter knife and we're going to press it down, and we're going to make the little ridges in the McRib, and let's do it for the other one. Make these little ridges. I think that one might be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. All right. And I've had enough McRibs to know that's only on one side. And there we go. Okay, well, let's see where we are. We're at 3.5 hours in. Let's pull these out and see. Oh yeah, we've got good pullback on both sides. Okay, so I was out of the wide Reynolds wrap here. You hear that Reynolds wrap? You want to send me a truckload. That should last me for about a month. All right, we'll wrap it up just like that. Take it back, put it on the grill. Okay, got them both back on. Put the rods back in, top back on, and we'll let them cook some more. So, tell you what, let's do. It is time. Let's put these patties on, and let's let them cook. All right, you see them? All right. We'll put them on, let them cook, and we'll bring you back just in a little bit. Well, let's check the temp on these ribs and the tenderness. Let's see if we're, yeah. Yeah. Okay. How about the big one here? Oh, yeah. That's pretty tender too. All right. All right. This is Sweet Baby Ray's. All right, again, McDonald's, I know you don't use Sweet Baby Ray's. You should, because this is good stuff. All right, I'm gonna glaze this down. This is room temperature, and as a tip, it always works better. Don't go from the refrigerator to your ribs with your barbecue sauce. All you're gonna end up with is a gloppy mess. All right, but we're gonna make sure we got this covered good. And you see, we still have our patties going in the middle. Let's turn them over while we're in here. All right, okay, let's check them and see. Oh yeah. All right, let's turn these first. Let's get the back side. All right. Let's got those. Turn those over. All right. A little more Sweet Baby Ray's on the back side of these. And let's turn those over. You can see the pull back. Oh my goodness. All right. It's gonna work out about right. All right. Glaze the back side. My goodness. Okay. Well, here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Bones are sticking up through. Let's take this. See, it's falling apart. And that's what we want. Oh, the bigger one. Oh. Okay. And this patty. And this patty. All right. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take these inside. I'm going to cheat. I'm going to cheat. Oh my God. Delicious. All right. I'm going to let all of this rest and go inside. I'm going to pull the bones on all of this. And in the meantime, I'm going to take 4 of these buns. I'm going to put these on here. These little hoagie buns. Let's take the little hoagies, put them on, top back on. Let's brown them a little bit, and we'll come back. Okay, so I'm going to take some of the barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put it right down on the bun, and I'm going to spread it out like this. Okay. Now I've cut this in half. McDonald's uses white onions. Okay. So let's put these white onions across here like this. And let's take a pickle, and we're going to put a pickle right next to each other all the way across. And we're going to take this one and put on top. And there you go. There is a McRib, a McRib clone. Now, if you look on this one, let's take this bone and pull this bone out. Let me see how this bone just pulls out. Oh my goodness. I don't want a sandwich. I want to eat these ribs. We're not going to do that. Okay. So, pulling the bones out. All right. We're going to take this out. We're going to put the McJim meat on this one. Red onion. I like some red onion. Pickles. Put some pickles on top of it. And put the top on it. Look at that. Both of them side by side. So what's left to do? My favorite part. All right. This is the patty that we cooked. The McRib clone. Let's try a bite. That's pretty close. That's pretty close. That's good. All right. Well, only one thing left to do. Let's try the McJim. See how it turned out. McDonald's, can't touch that. Oh, that's good. Well, there you have it. The McDonald's clone, the McJim. Oh my goodness. They're both good. McJim. You can't get that at McDonald's. Thanks for hanging around. If you haven't subscribed, hit this button over here. I appreciate it. We'll have another video for you on this side. Until the next time, hang tight.